Now there is another command which is offset entities. We will see it now. Now these are offset entities. For example, you want this line to be offset. You can select this offset entities. You need to select the line. Okay. You can make it in reverse direction like this. If you want only a single line to be offset, you need to uncheck this box, select chain. Now you can see only a single line has been selected. To offset the complete chain, you need to check this box, select chain. Now if you can also make it bidirectional like this. You can check the bidirectional box and you can make the line offset in both directions. You can also change the dimension. For example, I want it to be 1 inch. Okay. Now you can see this line has been offsetted 1 inch in both direction. So now we will see how we can use the linear sketch pattern command. Now first of all we need to select the plane. We will work with front plane. Okay, sketch. We will draw some figure. For example, I will draw a circle. Okay, and I will draw a line here. Okay, so I will select the linear sketch pattern. Okay, so now there is a direction and there are entities to pattern. I will hide this direction too. I will only work with one direction. Okay, so there is a direction and there is a entities to pattern. So I wanted to pattern along this line, so I will select this line. Okay, and I want this circle to be patterned, so I will select this. Okay, now there is a dimension which shows how far you want to pattern the entity. Let us make this 1 inch. Okay, now you can see the circle has moved forward. If you want to further change the direction, you can see the circle is moving forward. Now this shows how much pattern you want. Let us make this 4. Okay, you can see there are 4 circles have been generated. Now this command here will introduce some angle. For example, let us make this 5 degree. Okay, you can see this line have been angled at 5 degree. You can make it 10 or 15. So this is moving upward. Now there is another feature, instances to skip. Okay, for example, you don't want this circle to be patterned, so you select on the point here. Now the circle is gone. You accept it. Now you can see there are 3 circles. Actually you made the pattern in 4 circles, but you want one circle to be skipped, so now only 3 circles are being shown.